Have you ever wondered how tiny changes in your daily habits can lead to life-changing financial results? Imagine this. A single decision today could snowball into a savings of tens of thousands of dollars over the years. In today's video, I'm revealing 5 small yet powerful changes that have the potential to transform your financial future completely. These aren't pie-in-the-sky ideas. They're practical, proven strategies anyone can implement, no matter where you are on your financial journey. Stick with me because each tip builds on the last, creating a roadmap to financial clarity, stability, and success. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single one. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to level up your money game, starting today. Part 1. Spending Habits, the Foundation of Financial Freedom. Let's start with something deceptively simple, mastering your spending habits. Think about it. How often do you buy something without realizing its impact on your budget? The average person spends $200 a month on unused subscriptions and services. That's $2,400 a year. Gone. Imagine redirecting that money toward your goals, a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Here's a tip. Schedule a money date with yourself every quarter. Review your subscriptions, categorize your spending, and cancel what no longer serves you. Every dollar you save today becomes fuel for tomorrow's financial growth. Take control now. Part 2. Groceries, your secret to huge savings. What if I told you meal planning could cut your grocery bill by nearly half? It's not just about saving money. It's about avoiding waste and maximizing every dollar you spend. Here's the secret. Never shop hungry. When you're starving, that $5 snack you don't need sneaks into your cart. Another trick? Always shop with a list. It keeps you laser-focused on essentials and avoids pricey impulse buys. And don't fall for flashy sale tags. Instead, check the unit price. That's how you find the true bargains. By mastering these simple strategies, you'll free up cash to allocate toward things that truly matter. Part 3. Debt management. Free yourself faster. Debt can feel like a mountain you'll never climb, but there's a way to conquer it faster than you think. Start by tackling high-interest debt. It's like plugging a leak that's draining your financial energy. For momentum, consider the snowball method. Pay off smaller debts first, then roll those payments into tackling the next one. Here's the key. Automate minimum payments so you're never hit with late fees. Then, every extra dollar you find, like the money saved from canceled subscriptions, should go directly toward one debt until it's gone. It's not just about becoming debt-free. It's about gaining peace of mind and control over your money. Part 4. Rewards and cashback. Maximize what you already spend. Did you know you can make money from your regular purchases? Cashback and rewards programs are like free bonuses for spending smartly. Picture this. You spend $1,000 on necessary expenses and earn $50 back. Over a year, that's $600, just for being strategic. But there's a catch. Rewards only work if you pay off your balances in full each month. Otherwise, interest will erase your gains. Pro tip. Research your credit card's perks. Many offer travel miles, dining rewards, or cash rebates tailored to your lifestyle. Take 10 minutes today to compare cashback apps or credit card offers to see if you're maximizing your benefits. Small tweaks like this can add hundreds or even thousands to your savings over time. Part 5. Automate and optimize savings, the set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Saving doesn't have to be complicated. With automation, it becomes effortless. Set up an automatic transfer where 10 to 20% of your paycheck goes straight into a high-yield savings account. Why? Because if you never see the money, you'll never be tempted to spend it. And the best part? Compound interest takes over. Over time, your money works harder for you than you work to earn it. For example, $100 saved monthly at a 5% interest rate grows to $20,000 in 10 years. That's the power of starting small. Take the first step. Set up that automation today. Your future self will thank you. Now that you've discovered these 5 small but mighty financial tweaks, ask yourself, which one will you start today? Each of these changes is designed to put you back in control and help you achieve the financial future you've dreamed of. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tips that unlock your financial potential. And don't forget to share your favorite tip in the comments. Your journey could inspire someone else. Remember, financial success doesn't come from big leaps. It comes from small, consistent changes, just like these.